Morning all, welcome to this the channel. Another artist and styles video today, but this time we're doing them in Midjourney. So a little bit different, no night cafe, probably for the next 4 videos. So the first guy we're starting with is Damien Hirst. So I'm sure you've all heard of him. Art in the style of Damien Hirst. Now he's famous for the dot images, the crystal skull type thing, and loads of other stuff. But we'll see what it does, see what we can get if we use just some basic prompting to start with. What shall we do? A cube made of paper. We'll go spot painting. Depth of field, and that'll do. And then we can see what we get just for that bay. This will show us if it knows his name or not. Okay, that doesn't look very Damien Hirst like to me. Maybe because he done some stuff where he split a calf in half and put it into 2 containers filled with formaldehyde. So maybe those are like the containers, but it's not enough for me. So let's see if we can go art by Damien Hirst, spot paintings, and spin paintings. I just want to see if it's going to find them at all. Okay, so I would say he's coming through now with these spots. Now let's just have a look. Damien Hirst, and you'll see what I mean. Okay, spot there's some of the spot paintings he does, like this stuff here. So you can see that coming through in the art here. Let's try giving it a better subject. I'm going to get rid of spin. I'm going to spot paintings of anime characters. There we go, that's characters. So we'll need to go anime. I'm also going to put his name in again. I'm going to go aspect ratio 16:9, and I'm going to cut all of that out. Now this is one of the cool things about Midjourney. If I go settings, I can change the model to Niji and expressive. We'll leave it at that. I don't know what it's going to do, but this, hopefully it's got some of his influence in it, well mixed with the other aspects. One of the reasons I'm doing all of these artists and styles is so that you guys can see what the outcomes are like, but hopefully you're mixing your artists, you know, just trying to come up with something unique. That's what I try to do. Oh, pardon me. When I'm messing around. Now this looks like it might be too much. It might be the anime character. I don't think I'm going to see any spot, but maybe there. But that's me mixing up. You know, he doesn't work in anime. He doesn't do that kind of stuff. You know, it's British art. So I'll probably change it back. Stylize very high. Yeah, you know, they're pretty cool images, but it's not what we're after really. So let's try one more. Spot painting What shall we try? Spot painting. Psychedelic colour scheme. Landscape, countryside. No, that's not going to work. Spot painting, psychedelic colour scheme. Art by Damien Hirst. A stranger walking in the park. You know, it's hard to get. Probably a stranger working in the park is going to be a bit unusual. So I'm hoping that it comes up with something neat. So we've got slight influences, I would say. You can see the spots here. I like that. I like that effect. That's actually a really nice image, that one. That one there's pretty cool as well, how it's got, are they big spots? You know, those circular patterns. But yeah, no, that's good. So yeah, mess around. You know, I could just put in the name of his famous works and put in the keywords, then get a really close approximation. But that's not what we're trying to do here. We're trying to use an artist's style to affect an image that might have nothing to do with their type of images. So yeah, all the best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy your weekend. Take it easy.